Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. Davlikar brothers want to control MGP party to bargain with ruling parties, says Pandurang Raut. Miki Pacheco to withdraw disqualification petition against Churchill and Reginald. Pacheco and Alemao family to unite. Dalit Sangatna meeting held in Kurchore Chowk on Sunday. Demand to nab the statue desecrators at the earliest. World famous commentator Noel de Lima Letao dies in Kolkata. Pro League match between Vasco Sports Club and Churchill Brothers postponed. And All Goa skating tournament held at Don Bosco Auditory in Panji. And now the news in detail. President of MGP Pandurang Raut has alleged that Davlikar brothers want to dominate MGP party so that they can bargain with ruling parties. This was disclosed to our news editor Pramod Acharya. You can watch this exclusive interview with Pandurang Raut on Head On, Monday at 7:30 p.m.
The current scenario of MGP party is in a tattered state. The party is divided into two groups, one led by Pandurang Raut and the other by the Davlikar brothers. However, Pandurang states that the office bearers in the party are supporting him and the executive committee members are with Davlikar brothers.
तुम्ही पैसे खाल्यात?
तुमकां खबर आसतली इतकी वर्सां पांडुरंग रावत पॉलिटिक्सान आहा. एकूच मनीस असो आहा की जेचेर केन्ना आरोप जावंक ना. हे पयलेच फावट आनी हे सुद्दां बोगस आरोप. त्या आरोपान कांय तथ्य ना. जे कितें वेव्हार केला तो पक्षान जे उमेदवारांक विधानसभेक सामान जे मॅटेरियल हाडपाक जाय, इन्क्लुडींग बानियान, इन्क्लुडींग कार्ड्स, इन्क्लुडींग बॅनर्स, सगळें टोटल पक्षान हाडलें आनी उमेदवारां मदीं डिस्ट्रिब्यूट केलें. तें सामान ते सगळे उमेदवार घेवन गेले. तातूंत हे दोग जाण मिलींद आनी तो आमचो जोक सामान घेवन गेले. पक्षान एक चार्ट तयार केलो विथ शे कन्सल्टंट. हें जें सामान हाडलां तें सामान तांकां दिलां तें इतक्या पयशाचें.
Pandurang alleged that Davlikars bargain with the ruling parties and give a bad name to the party.
हेंचें कितें आसलें? समजा उमेदवार रावलो थेयलो जाल्यार हे सायडीक आमकां कितें प्रॉफीट ना, थेयलो जाल्यार कितें प्रॉफीट? बार्गेनींग करप हो एकूच विशय. तेंचो हिशोब आहा तो बार्गेनींग. पक्षाचो उपयोग बार्गेनींग करप. पक्ष आमचो, आमी आमदार पक्षाचे. खंयच्या पक्षाक जाय? भाजपाक जाय आमी आसा, काँग्रेसीक जाय आमी आसा. 2 वेळा सरकार उडोवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो ते असो बार्गेनींग.
Pandurang also informed that former MGP leaders who have joined Congress still feel that MGP should be stronger in its virtue.
जे मगोसून हेतून गेल्या दुसऱ्या पक्षान सेटल जाल्या किंवा आसात तांकांय दिसता की हो पक्ष आमचो पयलींचो आधार.
कोण हे नांव सांगशा?
ना हांव तुका
एक दोन
तुका जनरल राजकारण सांगता.
Tourism Minister Miki Pacheco has said that he will withdraw the disqualification petition filed against PWD Minister Churchill Alemao and Kurtori MLA Alexio Reginaldo Lorenzo in the next couple of days. Pacheco said that the enmity between Alemao and the Pacheco family has benefited other politicians. Pacheco also did not rule out possibility of formation of a new group.
In a latest political development, Pacheco and Alemao have once again joined hands. In a crucial meeting held last week, Joki Alemao and Miki Pacheco agreed to end their enmity. Moving one step ahead, after the meeting, Pacheco decided to withdraw disqualification petition filed against PWD Minister Churchill Alemao and Kurtori MLA Alex Reginald Lawrence in next couple of days.
Probably in this week. Well, I was out of session visa. I just arrived 2 days back, and maybe in this coming week also I'll sit with speaker and ask my advocate also to write that I have no further interest to continue this petition.
Pacheco told us the reason why Alemao and Pacheco decided to end their enmity after so many years.
You got to understand the Alemao family and Pacheco family were very close. We are family for all these years together. But our enmities, third person take advantage. Today, the people who are sitting on the higher chair, took a good advantage out of our enmities. And I realize if we remain separate this way, we are going to lose our state. We are going to lose our people of Goa. And because of that, whatever the differences between us, Pacheco family and Alemão family, we sort out the issues and will be remain intact together for betterment of Goa and people of Goa.
Pacheco also did not rule out possibility of formation of a new group. Pacheco said if three of them are united, no one can remove them from ministry.
अशें आयकूं येता की NCP आनी काँग्रेसचे जे अलायन्स आसा आनी काँग्रेसचे थोडे MLAs आनी मिनिस्टर्स आहा ते तुमकां कुशीक काडूंक सोदता ताका लागून तुमी ग्रुपिजम करता काय?
No, as long as Alemão family and Pacheco family together, nobody can touch us. That I can tell you today. Nobody can do nothing to us, okay? And I'm not in fear to do anything as long as we are united, three of them. And we can see what is the best interest of Goa and Goans.
एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन तुमी आतां साऊथ गोवान चर्चिल आलेमांव एंड मिकी पाशेको मेळून कितें ग्रुप बीन करून कितें फुडें इलेक्शन बीन लडपाचें आसा काय?
We'll take that is not important right now, but we'll think a betterment of state of Goa and Goans.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with reporter Surendra Matkekar for Prudent Media.
Dalit Sangatna held its meeting protesting against the desecration of statue of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar in Kurchere. The meeting was held in the same chowk where the statue of Dr. Ambedkar was desecrated. Sports Minister Babu Asgaonkar, who was present for the convention, termed this desecration as an attempt to create unrest in the society.
Dalit Sangatnas held a meeting near Ambedkar Square at Kurchade on Sunday. The meeting was called in the wake of statue desecration of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Various Dalit organizations were present for the convention. Sports Minister Babu Asgaonkar had also marked his presence. The people demanded stern and prompt action against the statue desecrators.
कोणी पळय जे तोडला फोडला त्या खातीर आमी अशें सहज सोडले जाल्यार ते परतूय करूं शकता. आयज हांगा केला जाल्यार फाल्यां पणजेन करूं शकता जावं वास्कून करूं शकता. जे पुतळे आहा थंय करूं शकता आनी परत नवे पुतळे घालून कांय फायदो ना. पूण मेन म्हटल्यार कितें आसा जे कोणी तोडला ताका सोदूंक जावो आनी ताका सोदून ताका शिक्षा दिवपाक जायी आनी शिक्षा अशी दिवपाक जाय की कडक शिक्षा दिवपाक जायी तरूच फुडें कितें घडचें ना. हा फार निंदनीय प्रकार घडला आहे आणि हे आम्ही कदापि हा दलित समाज आहे बहुजन समाज आहे हा खपवून घेणार नाही आहे आणि यापुढे असं घडू नये तर प्रत्येक जे पुतळे उभारत आहेत तर ही सरकारची जिम्मेदारी आहे की त्यांनी त्या पुतळ्यांचं संरक्षण करावं.
Sports Minister Babu Asgaonkar expressed that some of the anti-social elements were trying to create unrest amongst Dalit community and the society. Asgaonkar declared that this agitation will continue till justice is given to Dalit community.
जातीवादी जो जे लोक आसात ते मुखार सरतात की आमचे भितर अशी फूट घालतात त्याच्या खातीर आमकां एकठांय रावपाची गरज आसा. त्या लोकांनी अजून पासून आमकां दामून दवरलेलो आसा. म्हणून हांव तुमकां एकच सांगता की बाबासाहेब आंबेडकराचो जो पुतळो नस केला ताका आमकां न्याय जो पर्यंत मेळना तो पर्यंत आमचें आंदोलन चालू आसा. पुलीस सध्या गांवांनी मिटींग घेता आनी मिटींग घेवन त्या लोकांक आपयता गांवच्या लोकांक आणि त्यांका त्यांच्यानी दोन मनीस अपॉइंट करपाचे ठरयल्या. त्या देवस्थाना बरोबर दवरपाक या घंटीकडे दवरपाक आणि त्यांना पगार दिवपाचो केल्लो आसा.
The people present for the meeting held a protest rally and gave slogans at the venue. A reporter from Kurchade, Samir Bhatt.
Time now for a short break. We will be right back. Stay tuned.